Hi there. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your professional email to your Gmail account. So first, I'm going to create a professional email from my cPanel. So this is my cPanel. I'm going to navigate to email section. This is email account. Just going to click on this. And I'm going to click on create. So it's going to ask me to pick the domain I want the email to be attached to. I'm going to pick Londa. And then it's going to ask me what the username of the email is going to be. In this case, I'm going to say admin. So I want it to be admin@londa.com. And I'm going to go ahead and create a password. And I'm going to create. So once the email is created, I can access the email. If I go on to admin, I can check the email. And I can open up the email here. So this is the email, but I want it to appear. Every time I want to access this email, I want to do it from my Gmail. And every time I get an email sent to me, I want to be able to open it up from my Gmail account. So to do that, I'm going to connect this email using the configuration being sent to me on my Gmail. So I'm going to go to my Gmail account now, and I'm going to head down to more and then manage labels. So I'm going to go to accounts and import, and here go to the one that says check email from other account. So I'm going to click on here. So it's going to ask me what is the email. The email is admin@londa.com. And it's going to ask me a couple of questions. I'm just going to stick with the default. Click on next. So now the email has been added. So it's asking if I would also like to retrieve email from this account. I'm gonna click yes. And what do I want the email to be aliased as? I'm just gonna say admin. So click on next. The same information, the SMTP of the server, the username. In this case, I'm just gonna fill in the same info, and the incoming email, that's 465. So I'm gonna change this, and that's it. Thank you for sticking to the end.